case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States, in the 1978 case Taylor v. Kentucky, ruled in favor of the defendant who sought instructions on the presumption of innocence and the lack of evidentiary value of the indictment during their trial. The court agreed that these instructions were the defendant's right under the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment and subsequently reversed the lower court's decision. The principle of presumption of innocence regards the idea that a defendant in a criminal trial must be presumed innocent until proven guilty, and the prosecution has the burden to prove guilt through evidence presented at trial. In the original trial, the defendant was found guilty and sentenced to 5 years in prison for robbing a home, with only one witness for the prosecution. The defendant, however, denied being at the scene and claimed to have been sitting in a parked car with friends during the incident. The jury received instructions on the prosecution's burden of proof, but not on the defendant's requested instructions relating to the presumption of innocence and the indictment's lack of evidentiary value. The Supreme Court held that the defendant was entitled to these instructions as a matter of due process, and the lower court's decision was reversed. The case was sent back for further proceedings, emphasizing that a fair trial must abide by constitutional principles. The court's decision did not proclaim the defendant's innocence, but rather guaranteed their right to a fair trial according to the 14th Amendment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.